All right, so I got a easy one that turned into a little more complicated with this one today. So basically, we were just here to point up these two stoops and get out of there. But from what I could see, they had a ton of algae on there. The brick was slippery, the concrete was slippery. So I said, screw it, let's pressure wash everything for them first. Naturally, it made it easier for the point up as well to just pressure wash everything before we grind and all that good stuff. So we pressure washed everything, as you can see. And the area where we stop here, you'll see there's a very definite line where it goes from nice, beautiful pressure washing to not so nice algae-ridden concrete. We're going to be ripping all that up here in the future and giving them a whole new driveway. So we just stopped at that line. There was really no point pressure washing a bunch of concrete that's going to come out. So if you like this kind of stuff, we do it all the time. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. That'd be really, really cool if you could just hit that subscribe button, maybe drop a like, comment, and yeah, really appreciate you watching. And like, comment, subscribe, follow. Catch you in the next one.